Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to do a unboxing. So if you're here to see what your girl got, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. This will be my third video, so just keep in mind, regardless of what I end up doing, I always film the videos. So it's going to take you 2 videos to get to the bag that I'm keeping. So this is the third video. So as you can see, it came from an actual Louis Vuitton store. My other two unboxings I purchased online. Don't mind my look, you all, because I ran to Louis Vuitton this morning because I have to work tomorrow. I didn't feel like pulling myself together. If I decide to keep this particular bag, you will see a part 2, and I will have myself a little more put together. So I don't have on any makeup, and I don't really care because I know y'all here to see what your girl got. So packaged, everything so lovely. I really like going into the stores, I'm not gonna lie, but yo, when I had to put the difference, I was like, damn, this is why I like buying online, because Lennox location versus my location is a big difference. But in order for me to exchange the bag, I couldn't do it. I could have done it online, but I would have to send it back, wait until they receive it, wait till the money get back on my card. Then I didn't want to do all that. So this is because I didn't want to wait. So I had to pay because I didn't want to wait. The store, this is why I like going into the store, because she packaged everything so nice. And I am going to tilt the camera down so y'all can focus mainly on this hair unboxing. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting a card, y'all. Oh my god. When I tell you this card is like heavy, it says happy holidays, beautiful, love, Lennox. Oh my gosh, how pretty this is. When I tell you I will never get rid of this, like never get rid of this. YouTube channel. So she did tell me I can link her information down below just in case you all are in the market for a new essay. Really quick on why I switched out my bag, because I did purchase the Niue BB, and when I tell you I loved that bag so much, like I love the style of the bag and I love the fact that it was about that particular bag. But then I started looking at this bag and I was just like, it was a BB, so it was small. Now it fit my essentials, but I was just like, okay, if I'm going to purchase another bag, I felt like I wanted to get something just a little bigger that can put a little more than, that can hold a little more than my essentials. Because I was just like, okay, a bag I will not be able to carry like my vlogging camera, you know, just extra accessories that I may have when I'm out and about. And I was just like, do I want to another small bag? So then when I saw this one, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and order this bag, because another 30 days. So I was like, that'll give me time to figure out what I want to do. Bags, of course, I love the leather bags and all those other bags, but I just feel like I don't want to spend that much money on a bag. So that's kind of why I stick with my monogram bags. On Instagram, you may have, not Instagram, if you follow me on YouTube, you may have seen this in my community tab, and a lot of people voted for this particular bag, and I was just like, okay, I think y'all may be right, because for a few dollars more, I feel like I get more space and I don't have to without putting everything that I need in my bag. So this is why I purchased this particular bag. Because I was because she asked me did I want to see any other bags, and I did, and I was just like, you know what, I was looking at all small bags, and I was like, do I want to invest in another small bag right now? So I told her, if for whatever reason I'm not happy with this bag, I'll be back for a smaller bag. But fingers crossed. I love the bag, because when I'm in a store, I don't like to mess with the bag too much, because take the bag home because I like to put my stuff in it. I like to try it on, and I don't want to like waste their time doing all that in the store. So that's why I was like, let me just take the bag home, because I did try it on. I took pictures in it, but I just feel like getting it home and playing with it is a lot different than playing with it in the store. Because when I tell you, oh my gosh, she did package this nice, y'all. Look at that. Like, oh gosh, she packaged this so beautiful. So here's the tissue paper. You know, by the shape of the bag. Girl got the No Way MM. And she did tell me that this bag is kind of big, and she was right. Wearing this bag crossbody is really big on me. I'm putting my cell phone in there. I had to like maneuver things around just to get my cell phone in that particular bag, and I was just like, okay, do I want to struggle that hard with the bag? Like I said, so when I noticed that I love the style of the bag, I was like, okay, Tamika, maybe look into the MM size. I tell you, I was looking at videos after videos after videos, and I was just like, you know what, let me go into the store and grab the bag. She was like, this here came fresh off the truck. The black, because of the fact that I have this little here what is it, handle. The BB I like because it came with 2 straps. Now I did like the fact that it came with 2 straps. Comes with one, which is this here strap, and this is what I already had off of Amazon. So this bag as a top handle bag, top handle. So I was like, if I get the bag, I can just add the top handle to the bag. So, you know, and I can carry like so, because that BB was just so cute. A little more room, like a little more room. Pink. I did like the pink, but I didn't want nothing light. And I do like the fact that this here is dark, like the darker canvas, because the BB was more so the raw leather, and of course you have to wait till it darken and all, you know, things like that. And then of course with that you do have to baby the bag, and I wanted to go through all that. And I was like, with this one I don't have to worry about any of that, because as you can see, it's dark. If it rains, I'll be fine. Now I got the Speedy Damier, the Damier beam print, and then I think it was the Speedy 20. Looking at the it was another bag that was kind of like the Diana bag, and I was just like not sure. Now that's a bag I was kind of considering. I probably insert a picture or put the name across the screen. Like, let me get this bag home. Now see, even with that bag, it kind of looks like the Diana, but it's all leather. That one I can't fit a lot in there. Like, you can't fit a lot in that bag either. So I was just like, I can fit a lot more. And here's the inside of the bag. It is like a microfiber in the inside, which I'm happy for, because like I said, I love my bags that have microfiber in the inside. Now the BB also came with the microfiber, but it had like that burgundy color. I think that's what it's called. I could be wrong, y'all, but it had a different color in the inside. And with this one you have an actual zipper, and in the BB you had just like a little button pocket. Particular pocket, I can fit a little more than just a mirror, and that's it. Like, that's the only thing I was able to fit in that BB pocket. But this one I can fit an actual mirror in here, and I think I can put my cell phone in here. So yeah, I could put my cell phone in the middle, but I can't zipper it, and I'm okay with that because I'm always grabbing my phone to take videos, take pictures, or do something. So I'm okay with the fact that you can't zipper it, because like I said, I'm always grabbing my cell phone anyway. I made the right choice with the with going with the MM size thing, so we can put some stuff in here so we can see how it looks. Like I said, I don't plan to wear this as a crossbody because it's way too long. I will maybe wear it as a shoulder bag every once in a while, wearing it as a like a handheld bag. So I have a few things that I had in my BB that I took out so I can, you know, take it back. So here's my Gucci pouch. Like I said, I wanted to start carrying my pouches, and with smaller bags I wasn't able to. Here are my car keys, the same as the BB. The middle pocket, it goes a lot further down, but stuff can still go underneath, and like I said, I'm okay with that because it's all underneath this here slip, this here middle pocket. I'm fine with that because all it's going to do is just go on to the other side. Now, wallet, I have my Killian fragrance. I like the fact that I can, if I want to, carry a full-size wallet. I have some tissues, a toothpick set, Chanel mirror. Like I said, I can place that in the middle pocket and zipper at the same time. My YSL lip mirror. I call this a lip mirror because it's like small. So this is my lip mirror. Keychain, which is popcorn that my son got me from Saudi Arabia. Christian Dior lotion. I have my AirPods. Now, AirPods can fit in the middle, so this particular bag you can put more in the middle, and I can fit even more. My house keys, because like I said, I don't keep them with my car keys because I got tired of taking them in and out. But since I have a bigger bag, I may go ahead and put these back in my little key pouch, because of the fact that when I had smaller bags, trying to maneuver things around all the time, it just got on my nerves. So I feel like now, since I have a bigger bag, it'll be a lot easier for me just to grab my keys and use them and then put them back. But at the moment, I did place them on this here key ring. Fits in the middle. Now, mind you, in the middle of the BB, I was only able to put my 2 mirrors. Now, in this particular middle pocket, I'm able to put my AirPods, 2 mirrors, and my keys, and I can zipper this up nicely. My Chanel blotting sheet. So now what I'm going to do is show you a few modeling shots with this particular bag. So here is the bag, carrying it like in the crook of your arm. Likely this is how I would carry the bag. And you can kind of like put it on your shoulder, because I did stretch this here strap out some, so it is kind of loose. So that's cute. The strap that it came with. So like I said, you can carry it like so. So that's another way you can carry it. I don't have no pockets, but you know, you can carry that. Looks cute too. Shoulder strap, I most likely probably would tuck this here in. So here is that without the strap. So what y'all think? I think she's cute. I feel like upgrading this to the MM was a better choice for me, because I feel like with this here bag I can put more. Filming with my vlogging camera, I would show you that that can fit in here as well. I'm gonna just show you how it looks in the inside. See, I have tons of room. Like, I could put so much more in here. Let's see, I'll just go and just grab this here pouch and throw that in here, because when I tell you I have so much room. Cell phone that can fit. So even with putting that in here, as you can see, I have a lot of room. I have more room on this particular side to put more things in here. Tell your thoughts on this particular bag. Should I have kept the BB, or did I do the right thing by upgrading? I just wanted a little more room. I didn't want to have to struggle with room. That y'all know I just got the bum bag, and I love my bum bag. Like, I love that to pieces, and I felt like I didn't want to get another small bag and have to struggle with space, because I feel like when I don't want to carry my bum bag, you know, I can grab something different. It's totally different from what I'm used to carrying. And this do turn into a crossbody strap. Never wear this. Now, I will say I would never wear that crossbody with this strap, because it's way too long. Like, it looks crazy. It looks funny on me. For some reason, dig into your shoulder. So this one is way too long. I'm not even going to try it on. Maybe in part 2. But these here straps, This hair bag is way too long for me as a crossbody. Really quick. Why not? See how they look? That's like way too long. I like the BB and the leather Neo No Ways. They all come with extra straps, and it's like with this particular one, they just stopped with the extra strap and just skipped over this print and went to the leather strap too. It would have been the black with the Louis Vuitton across the black, because I was looking at a leather bag and that strap, but honestly, you all, I just didn't want to pay that money. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie. I didn't want to pay that money because it's $3 grand. I didn't want to pay that much money. I know this one wasn't cheap, but it wasn't breaking the bank. For me, I buy bags, but I'm not trying to like deplete all my money. Like, I wanted to get something without breaking the bank, and I feel like I succeeded in this particular bag because she is cute, right? Unboxings. I like to play with the bag after I do the unboxing. That's why I didn't feel like getting dressed, because I work tomorrow and I just didn't feel like it. If I had 2 days off back to back, I probably would have pulled myself together, but I was just like, you know what, it's just about the unboxing. Keep the bag. I'll just do a part 2, but of course, whatever I do here on this channel, I will update you all. But so far so good. Now, I did say that about the BB, but after looking at it, I started watching videos and I started thinking of the MM. And when I do that, I know I'm like, okay, I'm not sure what it is. I'm not going to keep something if I'm not happy. Still cute without breaking the bank. It just don't come with the extra strap. And that's why, again, that's why I purchased the black, because I felt like I already have the strap at home. I don't even have to worry about investing in another strap. This strap fits this bag perfectly, as you can see. Yeah, you all, that's it. And I will do a part 2 updating you all regarding this bag. And I enjoyed this here unboxing. Please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.